look at the happy boys here, huh? Skid Steer. Hey guys, Dirk Bonzani here. Pickup day. Kubota pickup day. Very excited. Just got dropped off and wanted to do a quick walk around video while it's clean because that won't be that way for a long period of time, obviously. Here it is. The new Kubota here at our Greenback Grange farm. SVL75-2. There's 75 horsepower unit. I got a forestry brush attachment coming for it. We're gonna clean up this woods up here. I'm gonna do some cool videos on that. Get the GoPro hooked up. I'm definitely pretty excited about it. Got it here locally in Tennessee, Tyler Brothers. They're in Maryville, Tennessee. Great guys. Shout out to them. They have is one of the best buying experiences I've ever had as far as professionalism and just introduction, getting training on it, and this will be one of my first big tractors, or not so big tractors, I've driven. So it's kind of cool. But looking forward to sharing some videos with you guys, and just wanted to kind of give it a quick walk around here. Love the glass. Folds down on the top here. That's how we can get out of it. The bucket is in a position where you can't get out of it on most skids, obviously. Heated and heating and air conditioning unit in there. We got Bluetooth in there, which is nice. Pretty sweet. We'll give you some updates as we move forward and get some projects done. Thanks for watching.